What's up, y'all? It's Tay from Tay's Garage, and today I'm gonna show y'all my 05 Ford F-150 work truck. Yes, that's right, I am starting a business. What kind of business, may you ask? An epic, awesome roof cleaning one. And I got all the stuff I need for it for my business. I got practice and everything, so I'm ready to go. And so I thought I'd give y'all a tour of all the wacky stuff that I did to it. But first, this is the front of the truck, this is the side of the truck, rear of the truck, and here's the triple turbo Cummins turbo diesel engine that I swapped into it. Totally not the base V6 engine. And of course, since it's a work truck, I wanted it to be quiet, and so I cut off the muffler. I'll go ahead and let y'all hear that right now. Also, it has the super work trucky reverse beep, so I'll let y'all hear that real quick. Anyways, now that that's all out of the way, let's get into the real fun stuff about the work truck, the business stuff. So here's the truck interior. As you can see, it's it's full of business crap. Obviously, we got the regular steering wheel cover and manual transmission stick because I'm cool. The dash cam that doesn't work because it scares people. But like with the business stuff, I got this safety harness, this organizer, and it has like my glasses and my gloves and some stuff in there. Also got this goes for the soft wash system, a chemical mask, and some crap. I don't even remember what that is. That's like a tire PSI thing, I think. Some stuff in here like a leaf blower helmet, random crap. On the other side, there's also some stuff in there. This is basically just the more expensive stuff that I don't want people to steal, because there's already been people trying to steal stuff on my truck. I know, it's crazy. All right, so here we got the bed of the truck. It's got all the rest of the business crap that I could not fit inside the cab of my truck. I don't know if y'all can see it, but here I got my 24-foot ladder. I don't know why I forgot how long it was for a second, but we also got my 5.5 gallon a minute, 26 gallon tank. That's like the whole soft wash thing. I put chemicals in. We got this hose reel that, I gotta be honest, it kind of sucks, but has 100 feet of hose. If you can see it in there, I also have a, how long is that? 50 feet of hose. And real quick, I'm gonna hop in that truck and I'm gonna show you the rest of the stuff that you can't see because it's like hidden in there. All right, so in the bed of the truck, I also have this tote. It's got like anything that couldn't really fit in the cab of my truck, and the tote is also weatherproof so it won't get wet. I got this test sprayer, which is basically if I just don't want to whip with the whole soft wash thing and I'm just doing something small. These safety cones, chemicals, brushes, nails, just all sorts of like little things and whatever. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the tour of my 05 Ford F-150 work truck, but I gotta go clean some roofs and make that money.